You've probably heard of a bank, I would assume, but what is a credit union? Today, we're going to ask Dad.
So a credit union is very much like a bank. It's a place where you can deposit money, you can earn interest on that money, you can have a checking account there, you can borrow money from it. But instead of it being open to the general public, it's usually an association of people who are bonded, for example, by their employer. So I know AT&T has a credit union for its employees, for example. An army base called Picatinny Arsenal has a federal credit union. So it's an association of people. Generally, to use it, you have to be a member of the association. You have to have some connection to the association. And it's usually like other associations, it is self-run. The people who are the members of the association vote for a board of directors that runs the organization. The board of directors chooses a CEO who chooses employees. And, it's very similar to a bank. Banks have all of that same governance structure, except that banks are generally open to the public at large, whereas credit unions are not. That's the primary difference.
Can I get a better interest rate with a credit union?
You may be able to. You would have to be able to really for it to compete against a bank. So hopefully they're running their organization at lower expenses. And as a result of that, they can give a little higher interest rate yield to the members.
Interesting. Now we know what credit unions are. Thank you so much, Dad. And thank you guys so much for being here today. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment, and we will see you soon.